There is a Bird on Your Head by Willems. Let's see what this book is all about. There is a bird on your head. See Elephant and Piggy just sitting there. Oh, here comes a bird. I think it's going to land on the elephant's head. It did. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! Well, I don't think he likes that bird. He ran away and the bird flew off. And Piggy is watching. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. Oh dear. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. Those birds are very happy on the elephant's head. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. There goes another one flying away. Lovebirds. How do you know they're lovebirds? They are making a nest. They're making a nest on the elephant's head. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Oh, look at that beautiful nest. What happens in a nest? I'm afraid to ask. Oh. Do I have an egg on my head? Look, Piggy's sitting on the elephant's trunk to look up at the top of his head. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. Oh no, he has 3 eggs in the nest. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. What's going to happen next? Then I have good news. What's happening in that nest? The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Look, look, look what's going to happen. Are we going to have baby birds coming out of the eggs? I think so. Hatching? The eggs are hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Oh, I don't think the elephant looks very happy about that. Look. Cheep, cheep, cheep. I see baby birds, do you? They have hatched. Oh, there goes one of the parent birds flying off to get food. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds. And a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Well, where do you want them? Oh, look. Somebody's feeding worms to the baby birds. Somewhere else. Oh, dear. Whoops. Sorry. Oh, that elephant is upset. He wants them somewhere else. He doesn't like all of them on his head. There's the nest. There's 1, 2, 3 baby birds. There's the 2 parent birds. And there's a worm that they were feeding to the babies. Well, why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? Why? No problem. It worked. Look, there they go. Bye. They're flying away somewhere else. All he had to do was ask. Oh, now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Oh my goodness, look where they ended up. They all ended up on Piggy's head. The end.